He walks between the earth and sky, a grounded step, a spirit high. Two different paths beneath his feet, yet both move in a perfect beat. His heart can hold a sacred view, while meeting life with tasks to do. He speaks in tones both deep and clear, in realms that others may not hear. He rises into shining streams, a life of form, a life of dreams. He learns to balance both with grace, a spirit strong in time and space. He feels the pull of daily need, yet hears the inner voice that leads, a bridge between the worlds he knows, where steady light within him glows. He shifts with ease from role to role, a blended path that keeps him whole. In every place his truth remains, a strength that moves through joy and strain. He rises into shining streams, a life of form, a life of dreams. He learns to balance both with grace, a spirit strong in time and space. To speak into realities is learning how the heart can ease. He brings the worlds into one song and finds the place where both belong. He rises into shining streams, a